accessing the data line charts, simply click on the AI icon, then choose AI Charts. Here, you'll find the processed image data represented in line chart format, alongside historical weather data. You can further refine your analysis by selecting a specific construction vehicle from the drop-down menu. You also have the option to toggle between various types of weather data, such as cloud cover, wind speed, rainfall, snowfall, and temperature. This weather data is invaluable for uncovering correlations between weather patterns and on-site workforce numbers.